Good afternoon. My name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will discuss about the Labor Standard Act, Article 18, which is the working conditions for part-time workers. So first of all, could you define the terminology of part-time workers under the Korean Labor Standard Act?
Yeah, hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. What is a part-time worker? Part-time worker means their working hours for 1 week period is shorter than working hours of a regular employee. So this means the range of working competition is 1 week. Also, regular employee work like 40 hours per week, then the part-time workers, they work 30 hours per week or 20 hours per week. So it is calculated based on 1 week basis. So those people who work less than 40 hours, I mean regular workers, contracted working hours, then we call them part-time workers.
I see. Thank you very much for defining the terminology. So then compared to the regular workers, if the part-time workers are working less than 40 hours, like 20 or 30 hours, what are the compensation that is lacking compared to the regular workers?
Yes. So thank you for this question. So some working condition for part-time workers, it is stipulated in the article the 18 of the Labor Standard Act. So the working condition for part-time worker will be applied probate base for compared to the regular workers working hours. This means if they work 20 hours per week, then compared to those employees who are working 40 hours per week, their working hours, I mean their working condition is appropriately applied. I mean that means like about weekly holiday. It is allowed for like 4 hours per week when they work 20 hours per week. So the prorate base is applied. Also annual leave, even they work 1 year period, they are entitled to 15 days. But actual 1 day means, for example, 4 hours or 6 hours based on their actual working hours per day or week. So it is their working condition is calculated or granted based on prorate base of actual their working hours compared to the regular employee.
I see. So it's those benefits are applied proportionally compared to the regular workers' hours. So could you explain about or give an example of some cases that in Korea, please?
Yes, so those people working in IKEA, most of workers are working in IKEA, the furniture production or the sales company, they hire 4 hour, I mean 20 hours per, they work 20 hours per week, so they don't hire full-time worker for the sales or some delivery section, but only they hire regular employee in the area of management, but the other area they work only hire part-time workers who just work 4 hours per day, 20 hours per week. So the reason was that they have their workers work intensively with the physical strength. So if regular employee and those part-time workers work like long hours, like 8 hours, then they would be exhausted so much. So they think in order to get best the result from workers, they used this part-time working system.
I see. So this kind of rules are maybe in case of IKEA, they are applying in the worldwide branches,
Yeah.
maybe.
So if I add something more for this case is those people working less than 15 hours per week, they will not be applicable to certain condition of labor law, like no severance pay, no weekly holiday, also no annual leave or monthly leave. So those people who are working less than 15 hours per week, on average, like based on 60 hours for 4-week period, then the average on particular week should be less than 15 hours. Then they will not be applicable certain major working condition of the Labor Standard Act. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much for your comment.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.